after the, listening to our esteemed speaker, we come across with so many informations, and we, been loaded with so many ideas to how to work out in this lockdown period too. But even though I'll just talk about something which is happening into the market, I will just talk about something with the customer mindset, with the customer psychology. What is the market? What is the recent requirement, and how we can able to fulfill the customer requirements, and how we can be able to create new opportunities in this adverse situations too. So all my suggestions and all my ideas or my sessions will be come across with all the ideas which is very much useful for this period and after the lockdown period too. Dear friends, even after, I just take you to the real ground of the insurance field. I just take you to the real, scenario of the insurance field right now. Even though after the 2 months of the lockdown period, there are people who are saying that don't worry, stay calm, don't get panic, let wait for the good times, let wait for the economy becoming good. But it's just a very easy to say and very easy to hear this, but it is very difficult when our business is getting shaking, and when we find that our business is getting affected. It's literally a wake up call for all of us. It is literally a matter of our survival, and it is literally a matter of our profession. We are associated with LIC of India since very, very, very long. So it is a matter of our survival. My dear friends, I will share you some of the things here. Tamadan, I request you to allow me to give the permission to share the screen. I'm coming up with so many ideas. Kindly listen to me properly. My dear friends, what happens right now in this situation? Many of people are saying that don't get panic, but when we actually see the market, our customers will know that Indian population now understood this concept that COVID-19 is badly affected to us, our living, our lifestyle, our source of income. Our Indian population being started, to living with this pandemic. And in this period, in this time, customer will understand the importance of the insurance coverage. Customer is getting understand about the importance of the health, about the importance of the life, importance of the protection of the income. There are people who literally thinks about to getting more coverage, who literally thinks about to getting essential things. I'll say one thing to all of you. We are looking across so many things, as government is allowing us to utilize or to use all the essential commodities. Every essential commodities is well available in the market, but whatever the essential commodities in the market, it is it is restricting towards our life, for our welfare and to live our life. But we are from the insurance background, we are from the life insurance background, and I would like to say one thing, that our life insurance is more than essential to life, because it is beyond the life too. In current market, if anybody is looking for the grocery is available. If anybody is looking for the legal assistant, the legal assistant is available. If anybody who is looking for the any kind of the medical emergency or the medical guidance, the medical health consultant is available. But as we know that, as we observe that our economy is getting very worse, it is getting low. Wherever our customer has parked their money, has invested their money, is getting low and go. This time our customers, our Indian populations, our prospect literally thinking about their finances, literally thinking about their additional income, literally thinking about their security. Thus, in the time of the difficult situation where everybody is struggling for their survival, where everybody is struggling for their additional source of income, and everybody is looking for their finances, does the insurance advisor, does their financial professional, does the insurance advisor is available to them? Do we are well connected with our customer? Do we are literally available for them in this financial crisis? My dear friends, before this lockdown, we used so many examples, we used so many emotional and moral stories to get connections with the customer, to for the policy canvassing and to sell the insurance policies and to sell a bigger sum assured also. Whatever examples we shared so far, this is literally happening. We always show them the mishappenings, we always show them the examples of the uncertainty, and they're literally, we all are facing that uncertainty. COVID-19, I think there will be no biggest example of the uncertainty. So now market is all set to understand what we try to make them understand. Right now, if I talk about the customer psychology, the customer is in the customer is in the matter of is in the mental state of a peer. Customer is actually in the why we are in the lockdown, because we don't want to go out, and we don't want to encounter the any kind of the health problem, or encounter the any kind of the death problem. That's why we are locked down. So because people understand the importance of the life insurance, market is set. We are having a good products. We are having the products which is now, before that we are getting so many objections. We are getting, so many comparisons about the other investments like property, like mutual funds, like banks, like other private insurance companies, and etc. But now market will automatically understand this. Market is understanding this, and the wise financial planner is getting to understand this, that from the couple of next year also this will remain the same. Our economy will not gonna be boom in a overnight. We need to be with this economic phase only. This is the very biggest opportunity where customer is already having the thought in the mind. Customer is already seeing that investment is getting low in other other investment options. It is the right time to invest, or it is the right time to switch or move your investment to one of the biggest insurance company, that is our LIC of India. When it comes to LIC of India, I'll just share some of the things to you. Kindly confirm me if you are able to see my screen, everyone. Okay. When we talk about LIC of India, when we talk about the insurance is using a moral, or insurance is using a slogan that insurance is a subject matter of a solicitation. We always say that insurance is a subject matter of solicitation, but in this scenario, in this period, insurance is not at all a subject matter of solicitation. It is a subject matter of love and affection. It is a subject matter of love and affection, and hence an insurance agent comes into the picture, and insurance financial planners comes into the picture to connect with the customer and financially secure their life, financially secure their love and affection towards the family of your customer. We understand the market, we need insurance in the current period. We understand why insurance is the best suitable options to invest for your returns also, for your life security also, for your survival benefit also, and for your maturity also. Now the question raised to all of us: what is the medium? How we can connect with our customer, and why we connect with our customer? There are few people who are performing very good in this period, and there are few insurance advisors who's thinking, no, when the things will come right, when market will open, we'll go to the market and we'll boom into the market, we'll take out the maximum cases, and we know very well this is not going to be happen in next 1.5 year. So now we understood that market is ready. We have a product, we have a knowledge. The only thing is we are right now mentioning, or right now we are creating, is a mode to connect with the customer. Kindly I feel all of your attention. I'd like to say one thing. Right now, when you watch anything, whether you watch any epic series, whether you watch televisions, whether you watch any of the news, you will come across with multiple insurance advertisement, like from policybazaar.com, onlinebazaar.com, from some of you see many of the big celebrities like Akshay Kumar, like other personalities who is showcasing the lesser amount of the income, low premium and higher sum assured. There's so many advertisement which is coming across to your customer. Your customer is sitting at home, your customer is watching the advertisement. When such advertisement come across with your customer have a different opinion about the life insurance, have a different opinion about the planning. And slowly, when we are not well connected with the customer, when we are not well connected with our customer will start thinking that there are many more other good options than what my insurance advisor has suggested me, or had planned for me, or had sold to me. I'll tell you one thing which is very, very serious. Kindly pay your attention. In today's scenario, insurance agent is connecting with the clients or the prospect or the customer. Good, but your customer your customer is encountering or getting affected by more and more and more insurance providers options from virtual media, from television, from WhatsApp, from Facebook, and all the multiple sources. You know, comparatively, we connect less with the customer, then the customer connect more to the other insurance providers. Our customer is getting little bit disconnected when we are not well connected with the customer. And please remember one thing, what I have observed in the market: our one satisfied customer, please pay all your attention, our one satisfied customer may or may not give us the references, may or may not redo the business, but our one dissatisfied customer will break our 4 new customer, and that is the fact. And this is the time, there is not only we want a new business, but it is also an alarm for us to safeguard and to protect our existing customer base. Our existing customer is our real treasure, it's our brand ambassador, and it's our real wealth. You know, it's a very silly thing, but we observed in the market, when our client comes to any difficult period and comes to any unfortunate scenario, first our client start stopping the payments, stopping the premiums. We face payment defaulters, we face premium paid, unpaid, due paid, and we come across with such problems in these situations also. There is the only one solution to stop all this premium due or payment defaulter, is to be get well connected with the customer, to provide more and more consultations. So here our major role, our major contribution to be get well connected with the customer through our communication, through our communication and how we communicate to the customers. The only medium right now we are having is the online. So now I would like to draw all of your attention how to sell LIC policies online, how to sell and how to make presentations of LIC policies through technology, through our smartphone, through our softwares, or through our applications. Dear friends, this period, if we are going to our customer through online, there is a little bit difference in offline selling and online selling. See, from prospecting to closing, so all the process remain will same. Your customer, you need to do the fact findings, you need to do the need analysis, you need to give them the presentation, you need to give them the closing, everything. But most important, during online sales calling or during online presentation, your virtual should be more strong. Your example should be more and more relevant, that your customer they get connected. Why? Because you are not physically present, your body gestures are not there, your moral presence is not there, where you connected with your customers, and your customer will be getting engaging with you and started getting closing towards your premium policy. So your job is to use virtual effects, more of the economic presentation, financial planners, and you will find all these suitable presentations to our Tab Magic, to our softwares, to our websites, also to our PM Pro software also. Okay, so customer wants more visual to get connected, and also during your verbal communication we need to focus on 3 C's. Number one, your care. Yes, this is the time where prior to the lockdown, we always focused value-added services. We always get advice: be more with your customer, give more to your customer, deliver more than you promise. We always talk about the value-added services to get connection with the customer, to have a strong relationship with the customer. This is the actual time. This is the real time when we get the opportunity to get connected with the customer. Because before lockdown, your customer was so busy, so engaged to their own lifestyle. You are also and to your new sales generation, and we don't get time to provide the value-added services. I must say, this is the golden opportunity for all the hardworking insurance advisor to create their brand, to create their identity, to create their name in the market by their communication, by their value-added services, and by their well connections. So during your conversation, please start using your care. Number two is your concern, that you are concerned about it. You are concerned about it. I'll just give you one example. During online presentation, you need to first take the appointment from your customer. And when you take the appointment from your customer, you might say, dear prospect, how are you? How well you are doing? how the situation is going on. When we little bit engage with our customer, we might use such a statement like, sir, we are feeling that and we are thinking that our country is going to be on a very dynamic changes. Our country is going to be affected with this pandemic. But sir, I just want to check out from your side that you and your family is doing well. Are you healthy? Are you facing any kind of the troubles? And wait for the customer answer. Along with your customer, you come to know that what will be your the next sentence, what will be your next idea, and how you will connect with your customer. For example, if your customer is saying, yes, yes, we are safe, we are fine. Okay, very good, sir. It's very nice to hear this. Sir, I have a couple of things to share with you. Me and my LIC of India, there's lots of things to talk about the LIC of India here. As we know that we are focusing and we are branding LIC of India here. Our major role is to, showcase the Sovajan guarantee, our major role to showcase the potential of the LIC of India. So here, as right now in current situation, as you know that our LIC of India is always there to serve the policyholder for the economic welfare, for the economic growth, and also for the contribution to the government of India also. And very well to protect for this time, me along with my LIC of India is there to help you for financial consultant and any services if you are looking for it. Sir, I would like to take a couple of I would like to explain some of the things with me and LIC can help you out to secure your life and secure your family with this difficult period. For that, I would like to have your time tomorrow at 5 o'clock. So when you take the appointment from your customer for tomorrow or next day of the tomorrow, make sure, this is a small tip which I like to share with all of you. Make sure before you are calling to your customer, prior to your call, half an hour before, you must put a gentle reminder to your customer and intimation to your customer, dear prospect, dear customer, we have a important we have important conversation or a presentation over a phone call, over a video call, over any app you are using regarding your financial planning. So please be present with your family. So your customer will understand the importance of your call. Your customer will understand the importance of your meeting. And during the meeting, while using much of your virtuals, by using much of the financial planning as one of the concepts Ajay sir is shared with you, there are few more concepts which we are using, which we have in our software. So you can use that software also, that presentation from the software also. And by detailing and by explaining, just try to quote the relevant example so that your customer will understand. And your virtuals and your communication should replace your physical presence, and your customer will very well understand what you are trying to convey the message. During the conversation, as I said, these three things should be most important: your care, your concern, your consultation. This time they are not only looking for a good financial planner, they're also looking for the good financial friend, a friend who can suggest them where to invest, how to invest, and what are the best options is available with the LIC of India. And we all are having a best plan to showcase right now. It's our Jeevan Umang, which is giving us a good guarantee, which is giving us the good returns, good survival benefits. So into the software, you will get the very good presentation of Jeevan Umang. It is a Jeevan Umang with expert analysis. So which raise your Jeevan Umang from 8% to 12% with tax, without taxations and everything. I'm restricting with my time limit, so I'm not able to showcase you the entire presentation because the entire presentation is like about 15 to 20 minutes. But you can find it out from the softwares. My team will help you to provide you the softwares also, to the presentations also. But this is, I have taken these examples from last many of my sessions, and people are literally sending Jeevan Umang expert analysis in this time, and they're getting a good result. We are thinking that this time, whether customer is interested for the insurance but not interested to the insurance, we all are using social media, and so many messages coming to us. Out of all those difficult messages or fearful messages, there are some good news also comes. I come across last week when I had a conversation at Shimla division. Mr. Rajkumar, an agent from a Shimla division, had completed 500 policies, in the first financial year. in this lockdown, in this uncertain period, he has completed 500 policies. One person, one insurance advisor from Asansol had completed their Karorpati. So there are so many people who are performing well, who are ready to achieve their targets, who are continuously achieving their milestones that and the targets they set back to the starting of the new year. My dear friends, our presentation, when we put across, as Mr. Rajesh Tekor has explained you, the bifurcation of your target audience or your prospect from luxurious to comfortable to poor to charity to hand to mouth. He has explained to you the bifurcation of the audience. We might come across with a comfortable, we might come across with a luxurious way, and sometimes in this period, if we encounter with the luxurious people, when we encounter with the highly economic people or a super ultra HNI or a HNI customer, they might give us, still they might come up with the excuse or a concept like, no, we have a sufficient amount of assets, we are having the asset and our assets will look after it. This concept that we are having the asset and our property or our other assets will look after it, my other protection will look after it, my financial problems also. But this difficult period teaches us that in three scenarios. Number one, in your retirement age, like your old age, in difficult period, and in health concern. This all your assets will become your liability. Any asset which you need to look after it, any asset which you need to restore it, any asset which you need to maintain it, it's actually a liability in difficult period in an older age. Whereas in such period you need a liquidity, you need a liquidity, you need a money, you need a cash in hand. And in such period only the LIC policy is your real asset. So kindly build your asset, kindly invest into the asset, but this time the asset is only LIC of India. Correct? Because other assets needs care, other assets need to take care. But yeah, LIC is something which gives you the liquidity, which gives you the money, which gives you the fund. Even not this difficult period, even for your retirement, not even only for your retirement, for also your upcoming generations. As we see that our new generations or our upcoming generations or our children, they are not bothered about the assets or the property. They need an income. They want money in hand. They want liquidity. They said that if I have a liquidity, I can create my business, I can do my studies, I can do anything. So even the new world, even the new generation and upcoming time requires more and more liquidity rather than the assets. So here, I think and this period is more favorable for insurance selling, to invest into the insurance, because whatever challenges we faced before lockdown period, whatever the objections we faced before the lockdown period, that objections are already answered by this tough time, by this difficult period. Our customers is getting understand what is the market, what is the actual necessity, what is the essential, where is the real security, and where is the potential. Where every door is closed. This is little emotional, but this is the fact. Where every door is closed, even the spiritual door is closed, even the relative doors is closed, and even government wants to protect us, but government is also restricting. State government is also restricting. If it goes for a month or 2 months and 3 months, we will limiting with so many other facilities also. But every door is closed, only one door is open, that is LIC. And LIC is still welcoming every person to get insured, to get assurance in this tough period also, that get assurance as much as you can get. So do we all with our LIC of India? Kindly raise your hands. I can see you. Great, thank you. So my dear friends, as this time is showcasing us so many things, I would like, I request Samodran to share, to showcase here one of the presentation of family package. I will like to tell you some of the ideas or some of the concept which potentially well works for this market. That is a combination of Parivar package. Why Parivar package? Because this is a time where we are focusing to ensure every life. We want more cases, we want more customers, we want more policy holders. Maybe we cannot able to sell the higher premium, maybe we are not able to sell the big sum assured, but yes, we can able to sell the maximum policies, we can able to sell more people the LIC policies. How? there's a concept called Parivar package. Might be I'm not able to showcasing you, but I can verbally tell you this. And after this Parivar package, this is the one example as I spoke to you about the Jivan Umang, and we are having the Jivan Umang. So the concept is that if you sell Jivan Umang with 15 lakhs of the policy with the term of the 15 years, sum assured 15 lakhs, term 15 years, you will able to close your MDRT by selling only 24 number of policy. Jivan Umang, 15 lakhs of sum assured and 15 years of PPT. 24 policies of Jivan Umang. Okay. Now, I will forward this all the information to my team, and they will forward all the benefit illustration to our VM Pro software and to our technologies. My dear friends, now can you please put Parivar package? Now, I will give you the one of the best combination which many of my advisors has used and closed a good numbers of sales into this. That is Parivar package. Parivar package, here we are giving insurance. We are taking all the family members. First slides, all the family members, mother, father, son and daughter. We are having multiple policies here, including Jivan Lakshya, including Jivan Aadhar and Jivan Sheela, Jivan Istam. Why we are taking these plans? Because right now many of people are looking for the insurance, but they are not able to pay a higher premium. They want the insurance coverage, but they might, in the constraint of paying a big premium and taking the big premium liability. So what we can do, we sell a small sum assured, we sell a small policy, and later we top up the policies. Later we raise the sum assured on next premium term by doing the policy preview revival or by doing the policy revival. Okay, so now in the Parivar package, it is a combination. Please show the first slide. It is a package of plans of Jivan Lakshya, Aadhar and Stamp. Here every family members is getting a one. What we want, what we are going to offer here the customer, every customer is getting not only a survival benefit but also a maturity and also a debt cover. So sufficient amount of the sum assured is applicable for every members of the family. Now you will able to see it. We are providing them the survival benefit also, we are providing them the death benefit also, and we are providing them the survival benefit also. And why I'm focusing this to you, because many of you are club members here, many of you have done your MDRT, and this time as LIC has given us a relaxation in club membership also. So we want to achieve our club membership targets, we want to achieve our club membership, correct? So Parivar package is helping us to accomplish or maintain and sustain our club membership by selling only 13 Parivar package. By selling only 13 Parivar package, you will able to achieve your BM club membership. By selling only 25 Parivar package policies, you will able to achieve your DM club membership. And by selling only 33 of the Parivar package, you will able to achieve your CM club membership. Because here in one Parivar package, you will get 4 lives and 6 policies. 4 life and 6 policies. So this will help you to achieve your club membership targets. Our task here, our job is to get and more cases, so not only more cases but also to maintain our existing customers also. So while you are connecting with your existing customer, and if you found, we need to first find out that whether what is the real situation of your customer right now, whether this period has affected your customer, whether your customer is settled enough in this period also. Just do policy review. We took LIC agency 15 years back, 20 years back, maybe 6 months back also, but we sometimes find not shortage of the time, and we didn't get the opportunity to do the policy review. While using the concept policy review, you can reconnect with your existing customer, and you see to it by the time period of 2 years, 3 years, might be their human life value increases, might be their economic balance increases and they are able to pay you the bigger premium, they're able to get a more coverage, kindly propose them the exact financial exact financial representation, kindly provide them the actual needed. Okay, so with this, I would like to share to you, time is calling us, our market is calling us, and as I said, that insurance is not only a subject matter of solicitation, it is a subject matter of love and affection. Our customer is at home, who are literally looking for the financial helps, who are looking for the financial securities. So customer psychology, use the customer mindset, use the LIC products, and kindly engage the market. Thank you so much and all the very best. Vanakkam. I just hand over my mic to Tamodran. Tamodran, kindly continue.
Thank you so much, Priya. It was like an traveling in a roller coaster ride. It was going like such a fast. A successful trainer will speak like that. So most happy and a lot of things.